Hello friend, how is it going? Welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. Look at this incredible 2006 Toyota 4Runner SR5 4-wheel drive, equipped this time with V6, it's a 1G RFE, V6 4-liter engine. It's missing that beauty cover, so I was doing the thorough inspection. Is sitting there. As I said, new customers, so I went through absolutely everything, had it up in the air, created that report for the owner, and he wants to maintain this baby and keep her forever. What I would like to show you is this incredible front piece. This is such a monster. Look at this. It's so solid. This, especially this part. Oh my God, if this hits something, I believe it's that ARB. Look at those lights, those extra lights. Isn't this unbelievable? The current owner bought it like that. He said it came from Colorado, I believe. He loves it. Sometimes these 4Runners, they don't look super nice, because if you have different colors on the trim and the side, they might be kind of ugly, but this one looks really good. I think this paint scheme is the proof, and the wheels and everything, that even this generation, which was kind of hated, can look sexy. It's a really good looking car. But let's get together what this video will be about. It's about that gas cap which is hiding behind this door, and basically those codes which were. It was happening on these 4Runners, and it was actually 2005 to 2009 4Runners. They had so many repeated problems with that gas cap that Toyota created technical service bulletin, which has a number 0030-10, and this one was no exception. This customer had check engine light, right? When this happens to you, you have in the dashboard, I already erased that because I knew what I will be doing with it, but he had a check engine light on. There was that VSC track off light, and there was also that skid, that yellow light on, and basically it happened to him. So he said, yeah, I was trying to deal with it, and I knew it could be a problem. So I came here, and I made sure that it's tightened enough. I also removed the cap and checked the gasket here, right? These are the things which you are dealing with. Well, he didn't know, because he's not Toyota Tech. He didn't know there was a technical service bulletin. Of course, all of us, we are checking if the seated here, nothing is damaged and so on. That's really important, yes. But what I saw immediately, this cap is bad. I will show you why. It's not about that the ratcheting system makes that audible sound, right? So if you put it there, it will do that clicking, right? Listen to it. What I see from my experience, what is immediately suspicious to me, is when I grab the cap, there's absolutely zero effort needed to remove it. When you try to turn it, the whole cap basically is just sitting there by its weight. This cap is kaput. And no matter how you will lubricate this O-ring down here, can you see it? Yeah, there on the perimeter right here, there is the rubber O-ring. No matter if you lubricate it or whatever, that it's perfectly seated, you can keep turning it for a half day like this. But when you come back, grab this, and it has zero effort to remove it, which I will show you one more time. I know you cannot feel it, but trust me, it just fell off. It just fell. There's absolutely no pressure in this area. This is bad. And basically, there is only one solution. Call the dealer and order new cap. All you have to do, just remove it right here, pry it off, put the new one there, and you are done. And last but not least, the previous part number was 77300-33070. They have a current part number which is 77300-47010. That's the part you are seeking as a replacement. After that, when you will replace it, well, you unfortunately should have your scanner, which will help you to erase the codes, and you should be able to live happily ever after without any problems. I wish I can promise you that. That was just a short tech video from me for you. I'm pretty sure many people will find it helpful. If you do, give a thumb up please, and be subscribed. I have way more coming your way soon. Thank you for watching and supporting this channel, and have a nice day, my friend.